Hi there. Welcome to the English Grammar course for beginners with me, Caroline. I am very happy to have you here. This course is here to help you learn the basics you need to start speaking English. Why this course? Let me tell you more why you should take this course. This course has very easy steps for you to follow one by one. 2, it has very simple and easy explanation. I will explain everything to you to make you understand everything. 3, you should take this course because it has very many real life examples. Number 4, you will practice together with me during this course. And number 5, you should take this course because at the end of this course, you will be able to speak English. In this course, we are going to cover quite a number of things. 1. What a sentence is. 2. Subject, verb, order. 3. The verb to be. These are words like am, is, and are. 4. Personal pronouns. Words like I, you, he, she, it, they, and we. 5. Articles. Words like the, an, and are. Number 6. Nouns. These are names of people, places, and things. Number 7. Plural nouns. These are names of more than one thing. Number 8. Demonstrative pronouns. Words like this, that, these, and those. Number 9. Possessive adjectives. Words like my, yo, his, her, its, our, and their. Number 10. Possessive pronouns. Words like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Number 11. There is and they are. When do we say there is something? And when do we say they are things? And lastly, we will look at the present simple tense. This is a tense that we use a lot in everyday life. We use it to talk about our daily life plus facts. So why not join the course? All right, now that you know what this course has, are you ready to get started? Our next lesson is gonna be about what is a sentence. This is something very important in any language. So, join the course and let's get started. Before you go, I want to say thank you to Talk for Impact that has sponsored this course. See you in our first lesson. Goodbye.